Meaning of denotational.
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 Denotational. The term denotational refers to a mathematical approach used to define the meaning of programming languages and their components. It describes how programs are interpreted in terms of mathematical objects and functions rather than by their operational behavior. This approach creates a precise and rigorous description of the behavior of a program by mapping its input and output states to mathematical objects. Denotational semantics has been widely used in programming language design and compiler construction to ensure correctness and reliability. In summary, denotational semantics offers a formal way to understand and reason about the behavior of programs.